this one's for me. I just want it all on the table, you already know me. You know I just wanna be perfect, that's why I hurt so deep. Cause you can see the ugly within me, won't you come show me?
Take a look inside, take a look inside, take a look inside. Ooh, yeah. Take a look inside, take a look inside, take a look inside. Ooh, yeah, yeah.
You search the reins of the heart, you can see clear in the dark. Standing here naked before you, and ain't no fig trees in this park. You put me all back together, I don't mind if you pick me apart. Killing the beast within me, cause I know I was born with the mark. Casting down imaginations, these can't be mine, so I keep telling them to go. Keep cultivating my field, I'm sowing good seed, but thorns just continue to grow. You'll see the gate just get straighter and the road more narrow, so ain't many cars on this road. Fighting to stay in your presence on a daily basis, otherwise I feel alone. You're the promise keeper, we're just non-believers. You said stay awake and all you find is sleepers. Ask for faithful brides and all you got with cheaters. We want hearts like David, now you got your keepers. How amazing your grace, you accept the sinner, but under the condition that I'll have to make a change. Try to clean it myself and it made stains. Lord, I burn it all, you just make flames. Come search my heart, look in the depths, see what you'll find. See what you'll find. You can confront me, tell me what's wrong, I ain't tryna hide. I ain't tryna hide. What's my intention, what are my motives, what's my design? What's my design? My life is yours, before I betray you, I'd rather die. And I don't really care who hear this, this one's for me. I just want it all on the table, you already know me. You know I just wanna be perfect, that's why I hurt so deep. Cause you can see the ugly within me, won't you come show me?
Take a look inside, take a look inside, take a look inside. Ooh, yeah. Take a look inside, take a look inside, take a look inside. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Inside, 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 inside. Ooh, yeah. Inside, 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 on the inside, 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 yeah.
Inside of me was like a YC. I couldn't find peace, I couldn't hide it either. After finding Jesus, I could see the reasons. I saw the heathen, he could write Ephesians. Yeshua had to die just for me to live. It would have been just for him to kill me. When he said it just to die, I couldn't justify, it would have been just a lie. I could not hide the evil inside. You waited for me to be honest with you. I gave up my pride, you gave me the light. I'm honored to share all this knowledge with you. I'm fighting the sins of my forefathers, satanic conceptions. A man who confesses, handles direction, stands in your plan of election. Father, my heart is corruptible, I depend on your power to keep me. That's the reason I can't get enough of you. Filled me up, before that you depleted me. Your word is a spiritual mirror, your spirit, it audits my soul. You couldn't speak any clearer, your will, it holds all of my goals. So
search my heart, look in the depths, see what you'll find. See what you'll find. You can confront me, tell me what's wrong, I ain't tryna hide. I ain't tryna hide. What's my intention, what are my motives, what's my design? What's my design? My life is yours, before I betray you, I'd rather die. And I don't really care who hear this, this one's for me. I just want it all on the table, you already know me. You know I just wanna be perfect, that's why I hurt so deep. Cause you can see the ugly within me, won't you come show me?
Take a look inside, take a look inside, take a look inside. Ooh, yeah. Take a look inside, take a look inside, take a look inside.